Are you confused about which province to go to for studies in Canada? Well, I'm here to help you out. When you choose a province, you choose it on many factors like PR opportunities, rent and expenses, and job prospects. सब पक्के होने तो नहीं जा रहे होंगे. So I'm here to explore these three opportunities with you to help you choose which province to go to. Hello everyone, I'm Somvi Rawal. Let's start this video. Everyone wants to move ahead in life and explore new opportunities. When people go to other countries, it is generally to look for better job opportunities. So we are going to first start with this in our video. We are going to use a tool which is called Job Bank. It is developed and maintained by the government of Canada. And we are going to take the case of a student who wants to do a job in the supply chain industry.
Now we are on the website of the Government of Canada's Job Bank. The address is jobbank.gc.ca. I'm also attaching the link in the description. Now you go to Trend Analysis, the third tab over here. Click on Occupations. A new tab will open. Now over here, search your occupation. So I am searching for Supply Chain Manager. As I told before, you search your own, whichever field you want to. Supply Chain Manager. You can also search it by the postal code of the city. Like if you want to see for Toronto or any other region for that matter, you can do that. So I am keeping a general search. Okay, I'll search it. Now, Supply Chain Manager in Canada. You can see this description, your prospects, available jobs right now, 89. The requirements of the job, the wages per hour, and the skills required. So I'll go to see the jobs. So right now 89 are advertised. So according to province you can check. In British Columbia it is 34, Quebec 27, Ontario 22, Nova Scotia 4. So this way you can get to know if your province that you want to go to has the job that you want to do or not. Supply chain has 89 jobs right now. So post COVID period, maybe if you want to see for software manager you can see it. Maybe you want to see for data scientist, you can see that.
अब हम ये देखने वाले हैं कि आप जितना कमा रहे हैं यहाँ पे अपनी प्रोविंसेस में, अपनी जॉब से जितना कमा रहे हैं वो आपका खर्चा निकालने लायक है कि नहीं है. आमदनी अठनी खर्चा रुपये वाली बात ना हो जाए. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सी द रेंट एंड एक्सपेंसेस इन योर डिजायर्ड प्रोविंस.
We have now come to a website called numbeo.com, numbeo.com. The link is also in the description. Over here we'll check the rent and expenses in the desired city. So we'll select the city over here. So let's select Brampton, which is in Ontario. Now it will show the cost of expenses like per meal expenses and etc. So over here it says a 4 family monthly cost is around 4,000 Canadian dollars without rent. You can estimate that you can keep a buffer of at least minus 20 or plus 20% with the current this calculator. A single person monthly cost is around 1139 without rent. You can see the meal rate is 14, average meal for two $70. So this way you can see all kinds of costs. Milk cost 2.56 Canadian dollars, eggs 3.45. So this way you can see all the expenses that you may occur and create a table for yourself.
अब जो नेक्स्ट फैक्टर हम एक्सप्लोर करने वाले हैं वो है पीआर अपॉर्चुनिटीज. वील सी जो आपका एनओसी कोड है वो आपकी डिजायर्ड प्रोविंसेस में डिमांड में है कि नहीं.
Now we'll see that if your desired occupation is in demand in the desired province or not. So for this we are on the immigratemanitoba.com website. It is specific to Manitoba. You can search for your desired province. Like if you want to search for Ontario, you can go to the Ontario's website, ontario.ca. So this way you can search if the NOC code is in demand or not. So for our current purposes, let's see the in demand occupation list. Business, finance and administration occupations. You click on it and a page will open. See, so our NOC code is 1215 supply chain and it is in demand in Manitoba. You can see also the skill level required, the minimum CLB. CLB is for IELTS. So this way you can find out more.
Now all our search will be futile अगर हमारे जो डिज़ायर्ड प्रोविंस है उसमें हमारे डिज़ायर्ड कोर्सेज हो ना हो. तो नाउ वील सी कि हम जिस प्रोविंस में हम जाना चाह रहे हैं उसमें जो कॉलेज और यूनिवर्सिटीज़ हैं उनमें हमारे डिज़ायर्ड कोर्सेज हैं कि नहीं.
We are now on a website called thegreenestworkforce.ca. You can also use Wikipedia's page. You can search the list of colleges in Canada. So over here, the colleges are categorized by their respective provinces. So if you want to go to British Columbia, you can see the list of the universities over here. And if you go down, you can also see the list of colleges. So colleges in British Columbia. So this way you can click on, maybe if you liked a specific university, maybe Vancouver Island University, you can click on it and go to their respective page and check if your course is available in that college or not. This way you can finalize your college also.
I hope I was able to help narrow down your search for the right province. Let me know on what topic should I make my next video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, let me know what I can improve in the comments. Until next time.